guys, I'm Jason, this is the Freebird Garage, and today we are working on 2015 Harley Davidson Breakout. And I got some mirrors that were sent to me by Kemimoto. Kemimoto wanted me to put them on a bike, and this was the perfect fit for these mirrors. The shape, the style, and everything. What we're doing is we're going to upgrade from the chrome that is on this bike, kind of dull it back or black it out more. Last year we did a headlight that was all chrome prior, then we went to a blacked out headlight by Moons, and it's starting to look a little more that I think that this bike should need, because it is a brawler style chopper bike from the factory. You know, it's the older style soft tails, which gives you the shocks beneath, not the monoshock that you see today, but the same aesthetics essentially across the both generations of when they were made. So let's get to it. All right, so here's how the bike stands as it is. We have the chromed out mirrors, of course, that we're gonna be replacing. Kemimoto new mirrors here. The box, all standard, nothing crazy, no marketing, just the label of what they are right here. Open these up, check them out before we install. Packaging, pretty secure. I mean, they didn't shift or move around as far as when I grabbed them, so they package them real nicely, knowing that they're not going to be damaged in shipment. Checking them out. We have all blacked out. These are aluminum, and there are the contrast cuts that we have here. And since it's aluminum, of course, you're going to have that aluminum finish on the inside, but they are machined finish, so they have that roughness to them. I mean, look-wise, but they're not polished. So you're still going to have a nice little dullness to it, not too shiny on it. And these are the black matte on the mirror, and then, of course, on the arm of the mirror has like a matte anodized look to it. So these are like fantastic. The black's gonna match the handlebars and the rest that's on the bike, and a little bit of the contrast cuts will help mix with the upper trees and everything. So let's get them on. All right, starting off on the left-hand side, loosen the one bolt. So the mirrors come with all these extra washers, but we don't need them all. Just gonna use the bottom nut one here, and then a lock washer. That's pretty much it. All right, now the right hand. All bolted up, but there was something I caught on these mirrors that I didn't realize they had, which is pretty sweet. Watch this. They're off, like kilter, like they're put in straight down by the bolt here. And I checked it, the shaft is straight, but it actually has an offset to it. And it gives it a pretty mean look. Like, look at this. Bam! That contrast cut with those aluminum levers and the aluminum front end, triple trees, I mean, it matches perfectly. The matte finish going against the gloss back, handlebars, I mean, it looks fantastic. That aggressive brawler look when you're cruising down the road, like, I really dig how these mirrors came out. For such a small change, it made a huge impact on this bike. I'm totally digging it. Dad, I hope you liked it too. And as always, Kemimoto, thank you for sending these to me. And if you guys could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. Catch you guys later. Peace.